How to add Fidelity to Rocket Money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Fidelity to Rocket Money in just few steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to just go to the Google and type here Rocket Money. Once you do that, you will get this first link. Just tap on it. Once you click on it, you will get this two option, login and get started on the top right corner. And here, first of all, you have to make an ID. So you have to click on get started. To make an ID, it's very easy. You have to just enter your first name, your last name, email address, password, and that's it. Once you have done it, you will get this option of login. So you have to log in. Once you log in, you will get this interface. This is a dashboard. So here to add your Fidelity bank account to Rocket Money, on the top right, you can see there is a lot of option. To add your bank account, you have to click on checking. Then here you can see there's a plus icon. Just tap on the plus icon and here just type the name of your bank. So here you can see Fidelity. So if it is a business, you have to choose this one, or if it is a personal one, NC, then you can just choose this one. There's a lot of option, right? According to your requirement, whatever your bank is, you can just choose. For example, I just want to add my online, so I'll just tap on it. You can see it's loading for a few seconds, and here you have to click on continue to effortlessly connect it. Here you have to enter the password and username. The password and username should be exactly same what you are adding into the Fidelity bank account, right? And once you have done it, you have to just click on submit, and in just few seconds you will able to see your bank account here. Now you have to follow the same steps for the credit card. So if I just click on this, I will add the my bank name, and here I will just select whatever the bank name is here, whatever the bank account I have, and I have to follow the same steps. So this is it. I hope you found this video very useful.